it's paint party time. As you might be able to tell from looking at what's in front of you, this isn't my first attempt at this. This is actually my second attempt to do a Dutch pour that I'm happy with. So let's hope it goes well this time. We have a 12 by 16 inch canvas. Have white put down for a base coat. Our colors are mostly a bunch of custom colors that I have left from previous pours, but I will provide that information in the description as I typically do. Let's get started. What I did differently in preparation for this second attempt is I thinned out my base coat. I had to mix up some more of this paint right here because I used it all pretty much, and kind of added something to another one of my paints so I would have enough. So this has been a process. It's never just that simple for me. I'm used to that by now. Don't let it get me all upset and irritated. That doesn't do any good. Just makes things harder, actually, in the long run. We'll see how it goes this time. Hope for the best. Okay. Last time I didn't put down any white at all right before I did it, so maybe I'll try a little bit this time. I tend to do way too much, and that just usually is a problem, so I don't want to do too much. Okay. Do I want to stop with that? Or do I want to keep blowing to try and thin this out some? I think we're going to stop there. Why look, I mean, I think it looks pretty good. Let me get the camera down. Let you guys see it up close. Okay, here we go. Good up close shots. We got some good mingling of the colors there. Some cells popping up. I haven't torched it. Might torch it, see if that changes things any, but I'm pretty happy with it, with the way it is now. Well, hope you guys have enjoyed it. I'm happy with the results. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Give me some comments, any suggestions you might have. Please consider subscribing. I'm kind of stuck at 30 subscribers, and I would like to see that increase. 30 is not very many, but I'm thankful for every single one of them that I do have. I'm glad those that have decided to join my journey have subscribed, and I hope those that haven't subscribed yet will consider doing so. I'm going to wrap this up for today. I hope you all are having a good day, good evening, whatever the case may be, and I look forward to having another paint party with you again soon. Y'all take care. Bye. Hey guys, I just wanted to pop on here real quick and let you know I decided to blow this area here out a little more. I just could see the white over a lot of paint there, and you still see it a little bit there, but this did spread out quite a bit more and gave it more of an even, I think it's more even looking that way as well. So I think that was a good idea for me to do. Added a little bit of a little bit more to it, and made the painting more balanced. But that's it. I just wanted to show that to you real quick. I'll see you soon. Bye.